Hey, this is Jonathan, and this is a follow-up. So this is DBWorks follow-up to yesterday. I was trying to rename a file, and it would not allow me to. It would say the file is locked. But today, after we've checked our files in, we've got 3 users. We check our files in at the end of the night, check them back out in the morning, and now I can right-click and say rename, and everything works just fine. The file is not locked. No problem, no issue, no nothing. So I don't know how that helps. My workaround is to go in and just because I can't rename the file, in DBWorks, it's like DBWorks is limiting me from doing the rename. But in SOLIDWORKS, I can go in and replace the file. So I create a duplicate of the file I want to rename, and then I replace it with the renamed file that I created manually. Once it's replaced, I can move on, which is why you see multiples. Like this was my renamed file. So this is what I replaced with, and it allowed me to continue working for the day because I can't wait for a response. You know, I have to get my work done. So we're here today. Now I can right click, select rename, and everything's fine. But I mean, I can't have all of my workers, everybody check their files and restart their computer just to resolve this issue. So my first workaround is replace the file that won't rename, come back the next day, everything will work fine. And that's just life, I guess, with the way DBWorks is. I think it's just a glitch. It happens to me all the time. And I don't know how to resolve it, but I know how to work around it. So that's my offering. If anybody else out there uses DBWorks and they have a solution for this, would you comment and tell me like how do we fix it? That would be great. Or maybe you have this problem and I just gave you a fix. That's cool too.